This is a short video to show customers what's involved in a ground mount installation. Layout stages of a ground array 10K system. Once the locations are marked, we drill the holes in the earth. Here you can see the uprights starting to be placed. They are measured to make sure they are at the proper height. Once the uprights are installed, you can see we are now installing the axis that the panels will get mounted to. And this is a view showing some of the panels mounted and the hardware that they mount to. Continuation of mounting the panels, get the proper spacing. This is a completed system with the panels tilted for the fall position.